What is the meaning of the word derivation? As a noun, the source or origin from which something derives, i.e. comes or issues. A line of reasoning that shows how a conclusion follows logically from accepted propositions. Descriptive linguistics, the process whereby new words are formed from existing words or bases by affixation. Drawing a fluid or inflammation away from a diseased part of the body. Drawing off water from its main channel is for irrigation. The act of deriving something or obtaining something from a source or origin. Examples of use. He prefers shoes of Italian derivation. Music of Turkish derivation. Singer, from sing, or undo, from do, are examples of derivations. Derivation is spelled D-E-R-I-V-A-T-I-O-N. Derivation